Benjamin's
I did numerous things.
Numerous things.
What's numerous things?
I got some magic.
Really? Like what? Tell me.
That walks.
Yeah? What else?
And some blocks.
Uh-huh.
And on top of the and you found the pink rock for me.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
I found a white rock. It was covered with ash. You found the pink rock too.
What else?
A pink rock.
Do people do things?
No, yeah.
Like
but,
what?
But they didn't do anything.
Really? Like what?
But I listen. But nobody did. Didn't before any buildings.
They didn't do what to any buildings?
They didn't build buildings.
Oh, how come?
Because they didn't build my school.
Oh,
So they said, you can't go to school, Lisa.
how come?
Because you need a school that's for.
You have something in your mouth.
That's stolen. And they didn't do anything to build me a school.
Yeah.
So sad.
Where is your school going to be?
I don't know.
You don't know? Hmm.
Mine is already getting built, and it's almost finished.
Julie, what's in your mouth?
Corned
Then why are you talking?
And then
How to swallow it?
that I can do it something.
My
Nothing like
goodness.
expression.